Madonna's, me say, me just a come from Manhattan and me want to share one story with you now, real quick. Me don't want to stay here too long. This morning I called the Uber, right? Rain a fall. I'm supposed to reach at Manhattan 7 o'clock. So I called the Uber early this morning and go to Manhattan because I want to beat the traffic. Anyways, the driver, um, when I go into the car and I say good morning, and he said good morning, and me I try to pick up. You know how we Jamaicans stay. Me I try to pick up his accent. So me now go ask him where him from, cause him not sound like him from here, and him say him from Saint Lucia. And then him asked me where I'm from. I said I'm from Jamaica. And then we start to have a conversation, and then he brought up his wife, his coffee and him sandwich when him having at the car when wife make for him, blah blah blah. And he was talking so elegant about her. And then he told me that he's with his wife for over 40 something years and so forth. So he speak very highly about his wife. I'm telling you. He barely find man doing that like that. Like just don't know somebody randomly and just talking about his wife. So I asked him if he ever dated anybody else before or after, and he said no, not since he met his wife. He's just that guy that stick to his wife for over 40 something years. And I'm like, that is so nice. And he's, anyways, brought forward when he said to me that he met this girl in college, and she was magnificent. She have everything when it come on to shape and everything, but he was very insecure. I was like, why? If you have a beautiful girl, why would you be insecure? He said every time he's not with her, he used to feel as if he's going to lose her. Guys, who don't hear what I just say? Him say in him head, every time him not with that girl, him feel like, when is it now she's going to call me and tell me that they're not going to be together or something like that. He was just so off. And then when the time come, him said no, he cannot live his life like that. He's going to break it off with her. When he break it off with her, he said she did the most. She started to wear some clothes that show her body, and for him to see what he's missing and all that stuff. Him could have tell that's what she's trying to do, to said, oh, maybe him wasting time, blah blah. She was dressing outrageous, like she never used to dress like that when they were dating. But after them break up, she start to take down her clothes, wear some little short up stuff. And I'm like, really? Have I ever done that? Have you ever done that? Ladies, have anyone I know ever done that? I need you to tell me if you not ever done that. That is a question I want to ask, Anyways, so him said 9 months later, he met his wife. And when he met his wife, he said, him said to her, the wife said to her, you're not my type. So anyways, him say, him intend to prove it. So him said one day rain was falling and he gave her his umbrella. And after that, they say hi to hi. 2 days later, she bring back the umbrella to him. They said hi to hi, here, there. They keep looking at each other, blah, blah, blah. It wasn't him type, but eventually, she said, weeks down the line, they decide to come together and have a conversation, and then realize, say them really like each other. And him say, up to today, that's it for him. That was it for him. And I'm saying this because I even tell him that I have a platform and with my supporters them, and I'm gonna share the story. And say, go ahead, and he might go follow me and blah blah blah. So he might ending up see this story. But I'm just saying, when a man And I asked him this question too. Do you know when you meet the right person? At what point do you know you meet the right person? Because literally he said this girl was giving him a headache and he don't know, like he was on a limit. He don't know when it was gonna crash because he was just insecure. I don't think guys would have feel like that because we as women, we know. I'm not saying, come on, I'm not, we are all human. But sometimes the way a man can play a tough and go on, you would have never expect say them would have just feel insecure like that. Seriously. But anyways, we go Manhattan and I decide say take the Uber go. When me I come back, oh my god, the money where them a charge was ridiculous. It was like double time when we pay for go. So I decide say me I go take the train come back. Where me was, me take the S shuttle, go to 44th Street, and cause me did up on the east, so I take that, go to 44, and then take the number 1 subway to Penn Station, and it only cost me $2 something. And believe me, the Uber was charging me 100 and love for come home back. So I said no, I'm not gonna pay that. So I just walk like 4 minutes to get the subway and then transfer from one train to the next. I never have to walk no way far. So and then book when we come off at the train station here, so my husband pick me up. And that's it. We come home, take a shower, and decide to I'm gonna lay down now and watch Love and Hip Hop. But you know, tell me one thing, cause in my head, I always I say man go on like them tough. And that's my day. Them go on like them tough. So is it that them feel insecure too? Woman make them feel insecure so? I was shocked when him said that because nobody never really you know, me work around a lot of guys over the years, and it's the first time me ever hear one man say them feel insecure. And you know the thing is, when me respect about this man, how he was talking about his wife. You can know that he's a real dude. Him go into the details and him said to me say, him spice up things even though him in him age now, and him still go and make go buy lovely lingerie and put under the pillow, and him wife don't know about it. The way, you know, them take trips all the time, at least 4 or 5 trips a year. And guys, let me tell you, him tell me how much money he make per Uber. It don't shock me because he mostly work in the city. So it don't shock me because I know people who make a lot, over $100,000 driving Uber. When him tell me them money there, I was like, damn. And then when he tell me the taxes when pay for it, I was like, damn. What? Anyways, that's not my job still, because me not, unless me I just carry people go airport. But for drive, I'm gonna pick up one person, right? So one person from the train station and drop them off there. So for $6, $7 and $10, that I not just I know me. I don't know if I could do that. I don't mind. You have to love driving to an extent. I mean, I love it. So I know my job that Uber not my job. What I want to do is go work on the train. Conductor, I love that. From just come America, that was the job I always want to do. But I don't have to get my CDL license for that. And I don't know, if I'm ready to go do study for the CDL, I'm a big fish are frying. But yeah, that was my job. I have to be able if I can drive a train to be a conductor. I can't drive, so I have to do the CDL license, which we can do as well. We can do the CDL license, get driver's license. So I have to just go study for the CDL license, which I did interested in at one point. And then I said, Trump can't bother. But I love that job. I really do. I love to see how them dress up. I mean, used to love to see how love to see how my husband dress up too and go to work. I love to see how the conductor them dress up and go to work on the train. I mean, any one of them job there, me love see them. I used to admire them. Them look decent and professional. I love that job there. I think that's one of my favorite job when we did like when we just come here. The number one, and that me did something that I got do, and then change going to healthcare. Cause at healthcare we really have the passion for. Me did just like that job there because it look a certain way, but healthcare really have my passion. But anyway, guys, I'm gone. Me not stay no longer with them. Bye. Love you know. Bye.